What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. So today is the day when we'll be going for our vaccination for the COVID-19. We have the appointment booked at one of the private hospitals in Delhi. So I've heard that the vaccination centers are pretty packed and they're running full. The main idea of making this video is that I'd like to take you guys along and show you how the experience is, what to expect when you go for your vaccination. We are going to keep our expectations very low so that we don't get disappointed when we are there. I've heard that the vaccination process could take around 45 minutes to an hour, but let's see how it is, because I know that in private and in government it could be different. However, we all have to get vaccinated and that's the real objective. Fortunately or unfortunately, I could only manage these slots in a private facility. So we're just going to go and get ready now, and with that, let's begin this video. इससे क्या होगा?
क्या ठंडी है।
ऑल सेट टू गो। चला जाए भाई। पानी की बोतल ले ली है। चेक कर लो सबने सब कुछ लिया है, नहीं तो आधार कार्ड, पासपोर्ट। Registration process done. I must say that the hospital had made ample arrangements to ensure that there was no overcrowding anywhere, and also the registration process was quick and hassle-free. Quite nice, it's not that bad. The experience till now is quite nice.
Over panic and over prep ourselves.
The initial process took about half an hour, after which we were asked to go to the vaccination site. Only one person can go.
Husband is all going together. Husband wife को allow कर सकते हैं?
एक टाइम पे एक को ही अलाउ कर रहे हैं. They are not allowing more than one person at one time. Social distancing protocols were being followed pretty well, and as you can see, everyone was keeping a safe enough distance. It's okay. I think they must be following some safety protocol.
Yeah, but like it feels very scary.
Huh? Alright, I think it's my turn now. Next was my turn, and I'm always super afraid of the needle. You can see that from my face, and quite honestly, it was pretty painful. Alcohol should be avoided.
Smoking and alcohol for how long? For how long?
Until you finish the second dose, it will be more better.
So till then don't know smoking while.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. हो गया vaccination तो पूरा. After coming out of the hospital, I think all of us were feeling a huge sigh of relief that the vaccination is done. अभी तो कोई रिएक्शन नहीं लग रहा है. तुम्हें लग रहा है कुछ?
So besides drinking water, you have to have alcohol daily to ensure that co-vaccine and your alcohol both works together in your body.
गौरव भाई ने उससे पूछा, वो जो डॉक्टर थी, कह रहे हैं अच्छा बताओ क्या प्रिकॉशन है, एक्सरसाइज करा पहले स्टार्टिंग एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं, कहते हैं हाँ एक्सरसाइज, तो अल्कोहल तो जब तक आप नेक्स्ट डोज नहीं लोगे जब तक नहीं ले सकते.
40 days. Who can live without alcohol for 40 days? Yeah, come on, man.
40 डेज वैसे हो सकता है 2 महीने भी हो जाए.
1.5 day. Just drink. After 1.5
वैक्सीन की
days.
शॉर्टेज हुई तो 3 महीने भी हो जाएंगे. Did it? आप सब भी कराओ जल्दी जल्दी.
फाइनली डिड इट. बट हाँ ये चीज़ ज़रूर है कि जो लोग काफ़ी लोग डरते हैं कि भाई वैक्सीन नहीं कराना, साइड इफेक्ट होगा, ये होगा, कुछ नहीं है. आपको वैक्सीन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ यू वर्क योर सेल्फ एंड कीपिंग योर अदर्स पीपल अराउंड यू.
Unfortunately, things have become very systematic, so don't worry. Get into any center and get yourself vaccinated. And we have reached home, safe and sound, happy and healthy. Thank you so much, Karthik. Thank you for all your help and effort.
So guys, we are done with the vaccination, the first dose of Covaxin, and it was a great experience.
बहुत सिंपल एंड स्मूथ प्रोसीजर रहा एंड वी वर unnecessarily we had so much of which is in our mind, but guys, don't think twice, just go for it, get it done, get it over with.
Absolutely, and I think the whole process was very simple. Just go online, register yourself, reach there, and we were done in less than an hour's time. So yeah, catch you guys in another video. Until then, goodbye. Usually the post-vaccination symptoms जो होते हैं वो I think around 12 hours के बाद आते हैं. So for the time being, we are all feeling good. No discomfort or anything else. But if there is anything, I'll definitely let you guys know. But for the time being, all good.